So what you can also do is you can get random data and then ask Gemini to rearrange it properly. So for that, let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and copy out this particular content right here and paste it around over here. Then I'm going to go around over here and then select this right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around, paste this information right here. And then I'm going to go around, copy this out, paste this out right here, just like this, and so forth. So let's just go around over here, paste this out. So now what I can simply tell it to do is rewrite this in proper order right here. So if I were to leave it randomly, then it won't really do well. But over here you can see that if I were to go around and rewrite it in proper order, you can see that it says here is the information in proper order. So Google's AI chatbot journey right here, so it's February 2023, March 2023, December 2023, and there's additional details as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and rearrange out the existing content. You can also go around and say, now provide this content in a table format right here, just like this. Then what happens is that it'll simply arrange it out in table format right here, just like this. Now arrange this out as presentation points, mentioning each slides right here, let's say, for example. So if I were to go ahead and do that, then what happens is that it arranges out everything in slides, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and rearrange out existing contents inside of Google Gemini. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.